What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the rough enough. I bought the wallet, a clear wallet, because I have become a fan of clear, translucent, transparent stuff. I think I pay 15 bucks. It comes with two wallets. One is for my wife, one is for myself. I'm going to give the black wife, the red is for my wife. But I don't know what we get in this package. Is this a free gift? Rough enough, I have become your fan. I really like their presentation. Simple, beautifully packed. Plus, I don't know what's this. Please read the instruction before you use. This pack is not a toy. To avoid danger or suffocation, keep away from babies and children. Please be environmental friendly, reuse and reduce. Okay, let me take out. What's this? Wow! They sent me a free gift! Wow! Wow, I have become their fan. Literally, I just pay like 15 bucks for these two wallets. They send me a bunch of free stuff. What is this? It's a coin. I'm going to give to my wife. Okay. I mean, wow, the first impression is awesome. I'm happy. I mean, this alone costs somewhere like $11 or $12 or $15. I'm not sure the current price. I think so. Wow, I mean, I got a very good deal. And I got bunch of stickers, especially you can put on your MacBook. Do not put on your MacBook, like put on your MacBook case. First use a TPU case. Or I may put anywhere you like, it's up to you. Maybe I'm going to put on my Galaxy Note 10 here, yeah, inside. What do you think? What do you think? I think this look good. Okay, we got some bunch of stickers. And what is it? Thank you for choosing our product. If you like, please check out more. Okay. I mean, they are literally amazing in their marketing. I love them. I mean, they provide free sticker. I mean, it's like free marketing from them. Okay. This is to put in your neck, if I'm not wrong. I don't know how to use this one. Okay. I have no idea. Okay, something. Yeah, we can adjust, right? So let me come to the case wallet, the main attraction of the video. Okay, let me show you the red one. Okay, I really like. Wow, it comes with like this one to avoid accidental opening. Wow, 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 wow. I love it, dude. I love it. Okay. Okay, how to put this one? Maybe you need to put in your neck or something. I'm not sure how to do this one. You put like this or how? Okay, let me take out the cardboard from inside. Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. So maybe I will be putting in a carabiner clip, so easily I can put in a carabiner. Yeah, something like that. I will be buying some carabiner clip, so easily I can take off and put inside. Okay, I like it. And here's the black one. I mean, I love it. Okay, here's the red one and black one. Current my wallet is this one, Legend of Zelda, as you can see. So let me just put some of my card inside. Okay, I'm not going to put. Okay, let me just put my bank card. Okay, it's a clear. I'm sorry, I don't want to put any card. Yeah, that's all I can say. So I'm very much impressed. Here's my like card. It can easily fit. I'm quite happy. This is a must buy. The quality seems amazing. Subscribe and buy.